So now I'm just gonna put on the lipstick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So today I'm going to be doing a review of this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. It's in the color Seduction. HD Seduction. Yeah, so I haven't tried this on yet, so I want to see if it's good and if it lasts a long time. I always put on some lip balm before, and this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. I know it kind of looks like a glue stick. My brother always tells me, like, why are you putting glue on you? So it's not glue, it's cocoa butter. It's really good. I've used this since I was little. It's one of the best. So you just put that on and like wait a little bit. That's my best tip, to put on some lip balm before you put on any kind of like liquid lipstick, because it like sometimes your lips can look really dry when you put this on, so it kind of helps moisturize them before. So now you just wait like a couple minutes for it to dry, not to dry, but like for it to absorb it, I don't know. So now I'm just gonna put on the lipstick, and it's like a really cute color. I love these kind of nudes. I hope it looks good on me because some lipsticks like just don't look good on me. So I'm just gonna put it on. Sorry, I'm looking down at the mirror. Yeah. It looks shiny, but it says it's matte, so it's probably gonna dry matte. Okay, I'm kind of liking this color. I'm not sure yet. I think. I'm not the best at putting on lipstick. I probably should use the lip liner, but I'm too lazy. Does anyone else feel that way? Like, it just takes too long. This is like a light color, so it's okay, you're not perfect. So yeah, this is what the color looks like on. And I'm hoping it'll dry more matte, because I don't really like how shiny lipsticks look on me. I like the matte look better, but we'll see. It looks pretty shiny though. I don't hate it. My lip gloss is new. It does say it is lipstick, right? Well, it says lip color, but it's matte, so. Also, if you guys like this top I'm wearing, I did a haul video, haul try on. If you want to see what else I got and where I got this, just click on the link down below. It's a really cute top. Okay guys, so I've been waiting to see if this will dry matte, but it's still shiny even after like 5-10 minutes. So I don't know, it says it's matte, but it's pretty shiny for me. I don't know. I'm gonna see if it transfers. I'm gonna do a transfer test. Oh, yes it does. This transfers very easily, but I hope at least it'll stay put for a couple hours. But for now, like, I really wanted this to be matte, but I mean, I don't hate it shiny, but I bought it because it was matte. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And tell me what other kinds of videos you want to see. If there's anything you want me to try, I'll try it. Or like any makeup product or something. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.